Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. I am Prabhu KB, CEO of Fibocan. As you are aware, Fibocan is into the business of enabling wealth. We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling clients devise their investment strategies through our technology products and solutions Vetri, innovative investment strategies, SOFA, Sonifa and Baumits. They are very powerful and efficient strategies and work on all conditions. In every video, we discuss what happened, why it happened, what will happen, why, when and how it will happen. Which is why I request everyone to watch the video till the end, click the bell icon, encourage your friends and known person to subscribe. Today is November 15, 2022, Tuesday. In this video, we will be discussing about the market performance for this day. So, Nifty opened more or less at the same level where it closed yesterday, and then it was drifting sideways. As we had mentioned yesterday, it was dull and boring trading day throughout, excepting the last 30 minutes, it started moving up. So, such kind of move, what it signifies? It moved up and it continued its upward journey. Okay, what it signifies? It signifies only one thing. Unless there is exuberance or unless there is a panic selling, the trend will continue, or it has to drift for many days in sideways and then start falling down. So, since that has not happened, the up move is intact at this moment. Hence, bears have to be cautious and bulls can make merry. That is one. Second is that on November 11th, okay, there was a gap up opening it formed on Friday. So, Thursday was a gap down and thereafter gap up. So, in the 5-hour chart or even in the 1-hour chart, it was drifting and coming near the middle band, and then it was coming to a stage where it appeared that it might break, but there again the support came. How the support came? Support came in the form of ICICI Bank. As you know, yesterday ICICI Bank went below 900. In fact, it came down all the way up to 897. Today morning itself, it opened up and then it continued its up move and it was hovering there. But in the end, it got good amount of support and it closed above the 20 EMA, which it went below. And also it closed above the exponential moving averages. So, ICICI lent a beautiful support. HDFC Bank and HDFC for most part of the day was below the Bollinger. It was threatening to come down below the Bollinger Band, but that didn't happen. But ultimately it formed something called a hanging man, which is not even a good candle technically. But there are other components. Axis Bank, which was hovering around, it formed something called what do you call squeeze, band squeeze. That is what we call band squeeze. It was forming band squeeze in the 60-minute chart. So it was forming for chart for quite some time. Then we were sure that it is going to either break up or break down. Because of the momentum, it broke up and it went up. So hence all these things lent a beautiful support, particularly banking and financials supported not only Nifty but also Nifty. So that is the story of today. So now let's look at the individual components. When we look upon Axis Bank and SBI and Bandhan up by 1%, ICICI Bank 2% up. Before that, Nifty closed today 42,372.70, 0.7% up. Nifty 18,403.40, 0.4% up. So, on the financials, 1% down in M&M Finance and Shriram, while we had 3% up in Muthoot. Muthoot after the fall, now it has reversed again because of the gold prices going up, strengthening in the globe. Insurance and cards, LIC, HDFC Life, ICICI Pru, ICICI General all fell by 1%, while SBI Life moved up by 1%. In the IT, Birlasoft, Coforge, Mindtree, Emphasis all fell 1%. However, the other stocks, though it remained flat, like SCL, Infi, TCS, Techem, all remained flat, but their up move is intact. Short-term up move is intact. Hence, no one has to be very choosy in selecting the stocks. In the consumer goods, DMart and Trent fell 1%. In Trent 1%, Asian Paints, Berger Paints, Britannia, Pidilite and Titan all up by 1%. In fact, Berger is now looking to reverse. So is the case with the Pidilite and also Asian Paints. So hence no short term we can see some up move in all these stocks. See, every time we tell about stocks, we don't give recommendations because we are not SEBI registered. To our clients, we may enable them to make money, but we don't give price recommendations. But one who has followed my video I am sure if they blindly follow and discuss with their investment advisor, they are sure to make money. Bharat Forge on the automobiles, Bharat Forge fell 1%, Ashok Leyland fell 2%, Bajaj Auto, Escorts, Hero Motor, Tata Motors and Motherson all up by 1%. In the metals, NMDC fell 4%, Coal India by 6%, while Vedanta moved up by 1%, Jindal Steel 2%. Jindal is continuing his dream run and it will continue till the year end, which we have stated. Next is Health and Pharma, Cipla and Metropolis fell 1%, while Apollo Hospitals, Divi's, Dr. Reddy and Thyrocare up by 1%. In the others category, APL Apollo fell 1%, Polycab fell 2% along with IRCTC, and Nykaa had a big fall of 9%. So Nykaa, Leica and all these things like these new age companies, many times we are told in our video, that's just because like you have, it is new age and some PE investors were there and they have created a big hype on the product. A Nykaa cannot be a match to a lever. Then that means lever should quote 100 times more than what it is quoting. So hence like this bonus issue can revive the stock for 1 or 2 days. But definitely investors, small investors, either go to mutual funds or go with a good brand. I am not saying Nykaa is not a good brand, but the valuation is not good. So hence go with a brand with good valuation. So that is what it is. So 1% up in Adani Ports, Adani Enterprise, Indigo, IndiaMart, Ultratech. 2% up in Delta Corp. So overall with all these things, what do we expect the range for Bank Nifty? It is the same level that you are given because we want to maintain certain this one so that now our investors are safe. 4860.20 on the lower side, 20 EMA. On the upward side, it is going to be 43,340.80. So that is what is will act as a resistance. But if this momentum continues, even that will be very difficult. But I don't think this momentum can go up to that. Then Nifty 17,819.20, which is again the 20 exponential moving average. On the upward side, it is 18,723.30. It is slightly above the all-time high because IT stocks are in good momentum. We can expect some good up move from IT stocks. Hence, that is the range we are giving. Thank you very much.